Hold on to your gadgets, folks. Your smart devices might just know you better than your best friend. Let's dive into 5 wild things your smart devices secretly know about you. First up, your daily routines. Yep, they know when you wake up, sleep, and everything in between. It's like having a digital stalker. Second, your preferences. From your favorite pizza topping to your guilty pleasure TV show, they've got it all. Creepy or convenient, you decide. Third, location. They track where you go, where you've been, and even where you might be heading next. Talk about a built-in GPS. Fourth, your social connections. They know who you chat with, how often, and even what you talk about. Digital gossip, anyone? And lastly, your emotional state. They can gauge your mood from your voice and facial expressions. It's like having a mood ring, but smarter. Makes you think, right? So what's your take? Drop a comment below and hit that subscribe button for more tech revelations.